Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we have a blouse review made of thin crepe de Chine. The color is soft pink, and my first impression was it looks difficult due to the fact that the shirt looks too aristocratic. But in fact, everything is quite easy. The only difficulty is the ruffles, trust me. The ruffles are made not along the oblique, but along the transverse thread. These ruffles are 5 cm wide. From the bottom of the ruffle enters the bar, unfolds and goes into the neck. There is an assembly. It goes into the neck, turns around and goes down. From the bottom it turns around and goes down. On the transverse thread it is not sewn anywhere. Width 5 cm. A regular chest dart. From the shoulder seam that goes through the chest, the second ruffle is sewn into the dart. There is nothing complicated. I can't take my eyes off the stunning blouse. I will show everything more in detail on the table soon. The sleeve unfolds upward, folds outward with close cut, and the ruffle is sewn into this place. Regular sleeve fit. There is nothing unusual here, as you can see. The buttons actually were ordered from the same fabric. I think the blouse is luxurious and our customer will be happy to wear this blouse. These blouses can be worn with anything. Shirts, skirts, jeans, trousers, like anything. Sew everything off with a Moscow seam. Now I will show you everything on the table. The whole blouse is ready, except for the sleeves. We have one rule. When the customer comes for the item, we do the final fitting and only then we finish the sleeves and give the item to the customer. Let's look from the inside out. I like how the beginning of the assembly is ironed. Moscow seam. This ruffle goes into the shoulder seam. The neck is finished with a bias tape. Hem with a closed cut 0.5. There is nothing more to tell actually. Only after the last fitting we will finish with the sleeves. A blouse is an indispensable item in a woman's wardrobe. It is relevant at any time of the year and regardless of fashion trends. Therefore, the ability to work with fine fabrics is a very important skill that will make your life easier. In this video, I will talk about an unusual blouse made of crepe de Chine with ruffles. At first sight, this model seems very difficult to sew, as I already said. However, you make sure that it's not true. The most difficult thing in this product is the preparation of ruffles. They are made not obliquely, but along the transverse thread. One ruffle is sewn into the placket and neck of the product. The very same neck is processed with oblique inlay from plank to plank. The second ruffle is sewn into the dart of the blouse, and the smallest ruffle is sewn at the fold of the shoulder seam. The entire product is processed with the Moscow seam. If you want to create the same blouse, alternative to the Moscow seam can be rolled seam. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial from me. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!